We will see about how to execute or run a smart contract using Remix IDE. So this is a browser-based IDE. This is a default workspace. Workspace help to organize your files by allowing you to separate your projects. You can create your own workspaces and rename your workspaces and delete your workspaces. By default, there are 4 different contracts out there. We can easily compile our contract and deploy it in testnet also. This is a compiler, Solidity compiler. This is used for deployment. Every deployment, we can get one contract address and ABI. We can choose our environment also. Now we will see about how to compile and deploy one particular smart contract using Remix IDE. This storage contract has 3 different variables. One is number, another one is my message, third one is my account. My account is a default account address, and message is like we can set messages like hi, welcome and all. Number is we have to get it from user. 2 different functions also there. One is store function, another one is retrieve function. In the compilation tab, if the auto-compile checkbox is checked, then compilation will occur every few seconds. Now the contract is deployed. We move to deployment. Next tab is deployment. We have to choose environment and accounts. These are dummy ethers because for every transaction we need some ethers like gas fee. So we need some test ethers. These are all test ethers. Here we can see our storage contract, that is compiled contract. So if you want some other contracts mean we have to go back and choose our contract. It is automatically compiled. Then we have to deploy our contract. Now the owner contract will be displayed here. So now we need our first contract. So go to that particular contract and compile it once again. Yeah, now it is auto compiled. We have to select our contract and deploy. Whenever you deploy your contract, some gas fee will be reduced and subcontract address and ABI file will be created. You can see your ABI file and contract address below here. Here you can see 5 different tabs. First one is store, that is a store function. And second and third, fourth is variables, my account, my message and my number. And final one is retrieve function. By default, these variables, my account, my message and numbers have no values. By default, these are null values. When we store some values, then only it will automatically updated with number, hi, welcome message and default account. So now we will run this store function. Yeah, now the contract is deployed. When we click my account, the default account address is displayed here. This is the default account address. And when we click my message, hi, welcome will be displayed. And the number is 2001. Yes. So store function in our smart contract executed correctly. When we retrieve, we can get the particular account address number. You are successfully compiled and deployed your smart contract. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.